Hi guys, just a little update on the project. I'm aware that I didn't put any video out because frankly I was driving. I was at Moto trip, just a week ago, and yeah, what's happening here is I'm waiting for some parts because we had couple of issues on the Kawasaki, and you need to be aware that that is normal. When you put up the bike, then you need to adjust the clutch, brakes, see what's happening there. So we had a couple of issues. First thing that I noticed is that my valve here doesn't work. It's actually, letting the air out, and I couldn't put any pressure in it. But the bigger problem that is that it leaks the fork oil from this air, holes. And I think I have idea why that's happening, because when you don't have the function valve on the forks, then when you brake, the forks go down and you will have some atmospheric pressure to hold it up a little bit with the functional valve, but without the valve they simply go pretty steep down and push out some oil. That doesn't concern me because it was some small bit of oil, so I will not do anything here. I put the vacuum hose here on the tank. I just use this transparent one that is not for that, and I buy proper vacuum hose, so I changed that. And apart from the forks, I have that the major problem is that when I put some gas on quickly on throttle, it started dying on me, so it's lacking the fuel, I think. So what I will going to do is I ordered the set for the petcock, and I will change the membrane there and O-rings and everything. So main suspect is petcock, as I'm pretty sure that main jets are okay. So my logic is that when I put a hard throttle on it, it asks too much fuel and it cannot deliver. So that's why that's happening. I adjust the rear brake, I adjust the clutch. So all in all, this bike should be ready, but we need to do that couple of things. So yeah. And if you excuse me, the Yamaha working perfect, and I'm just driving and going to Moto meetings. It's the middle of summer here in North Hemisphere, so I like driving more than assembling the bike. But I order some things, just wait a little bit, and then we will fix this Kawasaki. Hopefully get it registered and start to driving it. See you soon.